How to change font in Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font in Telegram. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just head on and open Telegram over here. And actually, before you open it, make sure that you visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if Telegram is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to change font within the app. Just open up the Telegram app once you have made sure that it is updated, and make sure that you're currently at the chats page over here, and just open up the conversation you want to send a message to. And let's just type in the message. So I'm just going to type in hello. Actually, this step is going to change the text style, so somehow it is changing the font as well. So once you have typed in a particular message, just double tap on that message or select all the message that you have typed in, and these options should appear. Beside paste, just click on this option right here, and you should see a lot of options as you click on this little arrow buttons right here. For example, I'm gonna make the text bold, or I'm gonna make it italic, and you can then just send it on that friend. And there are many other styles over here. Spoiler, and that would look like that. And more would be monospace. The others are strike through and underline. So just tap on the send icon once you have chosen the text style you want. However, if you meant changing the font like in a fancy style, just open up your Safari and search for LingoJam. Not that, just search for LingoJam and not the URLs. Just click on this right here, lingojam.com. So just type in your message on this page that says normal text goes here, and the fancy font style will show up over here. So just press and hold on that particular font that you want and click on copy. Go back to Telegram and just paste in that message and click on the send icon. So that is how you can basically change font in Telegram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.